In this video, we are going to be analysing INPX. We can see this was one of the leading gappers today, closing up over 90% on the day. So if we do continue this upward momentum, what are going to be key resistance levels? And as of right now, our closest resistance is at $12. And one thing I do want to note with these levels, they are technical levels. If some sort of news catalyst comes out, some sort of rumour comes out and you see this stock fly, don't be looking to short these resistance levels. Wait for the stock to stabilize, because fundamentals always override the technicals. So do be cautious whether you are day trading or swing trading on that kind of release, because on these kind of news, if they come out and deny any sort of rumor, the stock will basically collapse. And really, if there's any sort of rumor, and you with these kind of stocks, you always see kind of buyout rumors and stuff like that. If you see that kind of stuff, you know the stock's going to temporarily bounce. Wait for it to stabilize. You can then start looking at the short bias levels, or if you're a long bias, lock in your profits, and then it should trade back to the technical reasonable levels. Now, if we do continue past that $12, we're then paying attention to $15.25. If we break that, we're looking at $18, $25.75, and then final levels taking us to $33. That level would be key if we were to push that far. Again, quite unlikely in the near future, but if we did, a key level, because it's two standard deviation channels right on top of each other. And then final levels at $50 and $70. Now, on the other hand, if we start to sell off, what are going to be key support levels? And we can see the only statistical level we actually have is at $5. That is our statistical mean on the 6-month chart, and the only support level we can go off. So if we start to fade back, really the key thing to watch is firstly gap fill. Again, that's right next to the standard deviation level. But really what it would be on this kind of stock, really you just kind of need to see it within the intraday chart. Because I imagine more than likely you're going to be day trading this chart. All you need to see is just intraday weakness, because this will indicate if we're going to fall or sink, because again, we don't have any other levels to go off. One other way we could do it is going on to a shorter term time frame, say the 20-day, and then there you can have some sort of signal if you don't know how to judge the movement intraday, and that would be then the $8 level. So this would be key. If we start to break below $8, come back to retest it as a resistance and start to sell off, this would indicate most likely the move is over, and in time we would expect to move back down to around 617 statistical mean, but really in time fade back down to the $5 deviation, as well as at the gap fill at 480. Anyway, that is the breakdown on INPX. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.